Hi, Aurelio.
Hi.
So today we're out in the garden, and what are we doing?
We're gardening onions and seeds and stuff.
Seeds and stuff. So we're gonna plant it. All right. So let's get to it. All right, Aurelio. The first thing we need to do is take out these plants because we're gonna make room now for the seeds that we're gonna plant.
Oh, those are lots of them.
I know. Remember, what are these called again?
Mustache flowers.
Huh?
Mustache flowers.
You mean nasturtium?
Oh yeah, nasturtium flowers.
Nasturtium.
I see seeds.
Yeah, those are old pumpkin seeds. Remember we had the pumpkins on top?
Yeah, until October.
All right, so let's take out the rest of these nasturtiums, cause we're gonna plant. I need the wheelbarrow. Excuse me, Aurelio. Help me rake all of it, okay? We're gonna rake all of it this way. Everything. Except for the soil.
I accidentally did the soil.
That's okay. Where's the dibbler? Oh, there you go. Okay, so I make the holes. You're gonna plant the seeds.
Could I
okay?
do one?
Huh?
I want to do that.
It's boring. It's easy. It's better to plant the seeds.
It's not boring for me.
Well, but how are you gonna know where I put the holes?
Just tell me.
Okay, let's do it then. All right. So, you remember the beans, the long green beans that we put in sinigang?
Yeah?
That's what this is. Yeah?
Mhm.
Okay, so we're gonna plant that first. So can you give me a hole? One right here. Okay, right there. That's it. That's it. That was a little too deep. So just like that. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put two in there.
I wanted to do that.
Okay, we'll do the next one.
Like that?
Yeah. And put two in there. Awesome. Give me a hole here. Let's put two. And do you know why we put two, Rayleo?
Why?
Just in case the other one doesn't grow.
Oh. What happens if the other one grows?
Put one here. If the other one grows, and whichever one is healthier, then we cut the other one. Then I'm gonna leave space here for something else.
Mhm.
Okay. And then this one, Rayleo, is the upo. You remember upo? It's the one that I cook with ground beef.
Oh yeah, but I don't remember it.
Oh yeah. Okay. Can you give me a hole here? Oh, wow. That was too deep. Okay, let's put some back. Put two, and then give me one here. There you go. Thank you.
Dada, what are those?
These are tags.
Cool.
You know what I use them for?
What?
So that I can label what we planted. Because what's gonna happen if I don't label what we planted?
You don't know where it is.
Yeah. Or what it is, right?
Mhm. Oops.
We are going to plant onions here.
Cool.
So these are seed onions. So they're like baby onions, okay? So when you put it, this side goes up. Okay? So I'm going to make the hole for you, and then you put the onion in it, okay?
Wait, you need two?
Yeah, here you can hold this. Hold the bag.
Put so many?
No, you only put one every hole.
Why?
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Because,
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because you only need one per hole. There you go. Good job. Okay, so here, Leo, we're gonna plant some
Eggplant.
eggplant. Okay, Aurelio, do you remember what we planted today?
Long beans.
Long beans,
Upu.
upo,
And onions.
onions, and egg.
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 Eggplant.
Eggplant. Thanks for watching, everyone. And if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Aurelio, your face is not in the video.
Oh yeah, and stay tuned. Goodbye. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like and subscribe, and even watch on Urrbangarden YouTube,
On YouTube? Where else?
Instagram, and TikTok.
Oh, and
Um.
maybe Facebook?
Oh yeah, Facebook.